Hello and welcome to How Not to Build a Model Railway. In today's episode I'm going to go through a list of tools I think you need when building a model card kit for your layout. Now the first thing you need obviously is somewhere to build it. Second thing you need, and I will just change the camera angle on here, is a cutting board. Now this is an A3 size cutting board. It measures 42 centimeters by 27 centimeters. I wouldn't recommend anything smaller unless you need to move it between places. I have seen A1 and A0. This was about £8. I think A1 or A0 is about 15 up to £20. They're going to be huge. All you need really is an A3. Does it? You can't see it on camera, but it's covered in super glue from where I've tried to build a previous kit. Now the next thing you need is a knife. Now this uses a mini Stanley knife blade, and it's what I recommend because you can fold the pointy end away and it's safer. No knife is 100% safe, but right now it's safer, so you can put that away. This is, I think in some countries, called a box cutter knife. It's fine for what it does, but for this, no good. You could use a regular Stanley knife. I wouldn't recommend it for the same reasons I wouldn't recommend that. It's just too dangerous. Now, if you're under 18 or whatever the legal age for an adult is in your country, you might have to get a parent or guardian to buy that or handle it for you, which is a pain, but grow up. I'm not in a good mood today. Now, the next thing you need is glue. No. Better, but no. PVA takes too long. This, again, takes too long. This is my 12th attempt at trying this video. I'm not in a good mood. What I do recommend is a glue stick. Put on that camera there. I've got 3 cameras going at the minute because I'm fed up. Now the brand name for this is Pritt Stick. This is 21 grams worth. I got 2 for £1 at the works. I will put affiliate links, if I can figure it out, in the description below. Almost last thing you need. And these, there's the camera there, there's the camera there, are close peg pins. You can use these to hold your card together while the glue is setting. One last thing, I said that was the last thing, but this is the last thing, a metal ruler. Now this one, it's not as good as I thought it was because it's slightly bent. I think I need to put something on it to bend it back into place or something. But it means when I am cutting stuff, I can put that there to apply pressure, run my knife alongside it, and my hands are out of reach. So again, I'm thinking safety. Now that's it for today's video. So hopefully in the next video I will be in a better mood, filled with pizza and Pepsi Max. So until then, happy modelling and see you later.